Happy New Year to you from all iExamB team members, and wish that 2020 brings all success in your career. And I am really happy to share with you the first video of 2020. NABARD has issued notification for recruitment of Grade A officer. Great news on the first day of the year. 139 vacancies in rural development and banking services. Every time maximum number of vacancies are announced in RDBS. So total 154 vacancies, but most of you will be interested in RDBS. So let me talk about this. The online application will start from 10th of January and you will be able to apply till January end. So if I tell you last year's experience, the notification came on 7th May and the exam happened on 16 June. So close to 40 days time was there. So you have very limited time, and you know competition is tough for NABARD because this is very prestigious job. I have separate videos about the perks, salary, benefits of working in NABARD. Go through that. Let me quickly tell you about the eligibility as per the last year notification. Once this year notifications come, so we will cover again, but normally there is no change in this eligibility criteria in all these exams. You need 50% marks in your graduation. You have graduation in any subject, you are eligible. And I am covering the eligibility of RDBS only. Likewise, CA, CS, Company Secretary, MBA, etc. are also eligible. And preparation for exam requires two different approach. I will tell you for phase 1, which is more difficult to crack. Lakhs of students appear in the exam. So here you have to get good speed and accuracy in reasoning, English, quantitative aptitude, because you can really predict what kind of questions are going to come there. At the same time, you have to learn computer knowledge, general awareness. And the real difference comes from economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development. These two topics are also very important because ultimate aim is to go to NABARD, and for that you have to clear the mains exam. Prelims exam is only qualifying. These marks are not counted for the final selection. So from 2-3 lakh students, those who appear in the prelims exam, some 3,000 people will go to mains exam. There is of course a negative marking in prelims. The central idea of this communication to you about the prelims preparation is that you have to aim for mains preparation, because here you have a separate paper for economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development, which is 50% of your mains exam. So mains exam is 200 marks. Paper 1 is of general English. This is descriptive. You have to write on the computer using the keyboard. It will be essay writing, comprehension, report writing, paragraph, etc. And interview finally, those who clear the mains exam, this mains exam, they will go to the interview. Interview is only 25 marks. And iExamB is the only place where you have faculty both for phase 1 and phase 2. Those who have cumulative teaching experience of more than 30 years, and thousands of our students are already working. You can see on the channel, our students are now in NABARD, RBI, SEBI, and they are telling about the crisp and curated content of iExamB, which has helped them in clearing phase 1, phase 2, and in the final selection, because we provide guidance till interview. iExamB is the only place where you get practice test for the descriptive English, which will be checked by the faculty, and detailed guidance, personalized guidance will be provided to you. Once again, best New Year wishes. Make 2020 a landmark year in your career. All the best.